Good afternoon, friends. Today we are having with us one of the most eminent lawyer in the state, Mr. Partho Pratim Kanjilal. He has been doing practice for the last 3 decades in West Bengal, in Calcutta High Court and divisional courts. He is working for many companies, private cases. He is sued cases for the government, against the government, and many writ petitions. So his name, everybody knows about him. We welcome him in this today's discussion. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, as being a professional for the last 3 decades in this law profession, you give your view to the newcomers in the law profession. What should be their quality and what should they do to become successful in this profession? What is your opinion?
My opinion is the people who are coming before this profession, they must join this profession holding their head high with due diligence as utmost care, whatever the job they shall be entrusted to do. First of all, patience is required. There is a proverb in these professions, the legal profession takes long time. I don't believe that. There are so many junior fellows who have come in my office and joined in my profession with me. Within a couple of years, they have achieved. Yes.
So there is a myth that everybody tells that if somebody has got a family background of law, then it is easier to become successful in this profession.
To some extent it is true, but it is not essential that anybody's family, somebody belong to this particular profession and it must be a lawyer. It is not at all required. There are so many instances I could say, there is no lawyer in their family, but they could do the job very nicely. It is not at all required, but if there is a lawyer in the family, it is very obvious, very natural, he or she must learn at least. This could have been said like that.
So it's a profession, so every time it's a very dynamic profession. So every time the laws are changing, the new verdicts are coming, new amendments are happening. So I think that every day you need to read. So what is the timing? I mean, how much?
5 to 6 years, even then, very coolly, I should say, minimum time, 5 to 6 hours, a man should give to his studies each and every day, because a man must adapt himself with the changing circumstances, with the changing laws. There are so many amendments are being occurred naturally. Unless you adapt with the changing circumstances, you will be agitated. So it is very natural phenomena. You must learn the latest amendments and you must be well equipped before moving the court.
So working for the law, reading law, meeting the people, and then studying at the night. So it's a very stressful life. So how do face stresses? How to manage stress?
Yes. Pranayama is required. I have my personal ashram.
Okay.
I do go each and every day early morning. Even at this age, I go Ganges, holy Ganges early in the morning around 5:30 and 10. This is my process. I learned it from my grandfather. I saw my father did also naturally. I believe the man who has got no ashram or nothing like that, they could do pranayama. They could do some hand exercise, free hand exercise also. This will help them. Because stress, obviously, naturally, there are so many things you have to manage with the changing circumstances. Otherwise, it is very difficult for man to sustain in the profession. Some good exercise, good fooding, and sleeping is also on the matter. So we are getting naturally already some ailments have been attacked, taking medicine also. But I believe pranayama is a very good thing, and some of the free hand exercise that will help you.
So the person who has got no family connection in the law, he is entering in the this profession, legal profession. There are 3 ways of career. Like one is profession, another is job. Again in the job there are two sides. One is government job, judicial job, another is not corporate job. According to you, which one will be the easier to for the person?
It depends upon a boy and girl whether he or she has got the capacity to do practice on regular basis, because certain quality needs that you cannot avoid to become a good counsel in the practicing field. Or there are so many people I find, they could join in the judicial services also. This is a very honorable job. If practice, naturally to a minimum 3 to 5 years practice is required to join in the judicial services also. But initially I must advise everybody, they should come forward before the court of law and they should fight. That is my advice.
Okay.
This will strengthen them for the times to come, I believe.
Sir, in the corporate sector, there are many things is happening today nowadays scenario because the life is become more complicated. So there are problem. There is the people are lending money, they are not getting it back. For the corporate, they are advancing or giving products on credit, they are not getting back. So what type of services you are giving? You are giving this service? to the
Yes,
corporate?
there are so many cases, even the corporate sector also, people taking loan for the businessman, the commercial houses, taking huge amount of loan or small amount of loan from the bank officials or the banking institution also, but due to certain odd situation, they could not repay in due course of time. Naturally, in accordance with the law, banking institution, they can't leave the situation, they come forward, they are well equipped with the law, accordingly notice being served, SARFAESI Act, Actually, we also combat the situation, sometimes a petition is being filed and we go sometimes to the DRT, that is Debt Recovery Tribunal, to give relief to the clients. It is really very cantankerous situation we have to face each and every moment. But my advice is always to all my clients and even the banking officials and the bank institution also, knowing fully well the content of someone's business character, then loan should be issued. There are so many things out of my practice I have learned. In so many cases, bank issues loans, not examining all papers and documents in proper way. So naturally it matters ultimately. So I give caution to the bank officials before issuing all these things. Let there be a scrutinization for all papers and documents. And at the same time, this is my request also for the borrower also. Cut your coat according to your clothes. Thank you.
Sir, in the after coming into digital, your agreement like email, agreement with mail, everything is accepted right now in the court of law.
Yes.
So after the cyber law has come into effect. So do you think it is helping the business?
Yes, obviously, this is completely very scientific. So all papers were almost being stopped.
Yeah.
Naturally, digitization is very welcome.
So somebody has done an agreement on papers and somebody has done the agreement in the mails.
Right.
Both has the equal weightage in the court of law.
Obviously, in the court of law, but at the time of submission, you must need a paper copy.
Okay.
So it is optional. That is, the Supreme Court has only given verdict in respect of the narco analysis. It is known to all of us. So naturally, digitization is very good, but documentation also required.
Okay.
It is compulsory.
Okay. So cyber crime is also increasing nowadays. So what is your suggestion to the consumers to be safe from the cyber crime?
Yes, obviously, it is each and everybody should be very careful. Each and every time we are noticing that so many things are being occurred. Naturally, especially the pilferage, especially so many things. Each and every day, let's say the edition in the early morning, opening the newspaper, we find this is being done, that is being done. So each and everybody must be careful. Though this cybercrime is beyond control right now because people are not aware of all the situations. There are so many fraud calls, there are so many unsolicited calls, and there are so many things are happening. Police personnel, I also request them to come forward. Though the government officials, they are doing their level best, but even then I should say each and every personality, they must be very aware of the fact.
Okay. So do you do cases with HR?
Yes.
You handle this?
Yes.
HR
I do.
field. Okay, thank you friends. Thanks for watching the video.